Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix the speaker not working on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 Lite. Let's begin. And at first you want to simply check your volume levels. You can do that by pressing the volume buttons at the bottom or at the top of your device. Now, as you can see, this way we can decrease the volume, which results in no volume at all, and this way we can increase it. Though you will notice that this is not a normal sound icon, instead it's a Bluetooth icon. And it's actually pretty interesting because you cannot really guess that I'm connected to any kind of Bluetooth device, because there isn't a Bluetooth icon in the status bar. Instead, you have to expand the control center to even see that we are connected to indeed some sort of Philips headphones, which I have right here. And what's really important is, by default, the speakers are the one receiving the audio and are the one that's playing the audio, meaning that your phone is essentially useless because on its own it won't play anything. So you want to rule out any Bluetooth device by simply disabling the Bluetooth, to just making sure that the audio itself isn't rerouted. Now, if you do have some troubles with your speaker not working, we can always head into our settings, enter notifications, do not disturb mode, and you will notice that if we have our do not disturb enabled, we do see that we have an option for alarms and sounds to not be allowed. So if that's the case, then when we have it enabled, no other I forgot how it was called. No other audio, no other volume, no other everything will be able to play until do not disturb mode is turned off. So you want to make sure that you don't have it set up, because it will result in your speaker not working properly. And also you can clean up your speaker by using some sort of soft brush, or at best a wooden toothpick. But even with wooden toothpick, I would be very careful about not destroying the speaker. Please do not ever use anything metallic like needle or anything else, because then you will just result in destroying your speaker, which is not something you want, let's be honest. And once again, if you still have some sort of issues, you can always expand the control center, enter power icon, and just reboot your device. Rebooting your device actually does help. It's not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including the speakers themselves, which also deserves a nice little rest one day. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.